on protective insulation gloves. The second part, install the connector locator. Find the buckle, crimping, grid connected tools firmly. Find the right caliber. Find the same caliber and load the positives into the locator. Plug the photovoltaic cable into the port and press it firmly. Load the negative copper parts into the positioner, and load the photovoltaic cable into the port and press hard. Locate the connector wrench and lock the nut completely. When installed, the connector is waterproof up to IP67.